Hello class 10 children. Now today we'll be studying a very important topic, that is mail merge. It is entirely a new topic for you people. Now as the name suggests, mail merge. That means we need to merge certain thing, to combine certain thing. So mail merge is a very important feature of word processor. It is used to create a series of same documents with multiple addresses. Mail merge is the process of merging the main document, that is your letter or certificate, anything can be your main document, with the mailing address of various persons. The main document is merged with the mailing address, hence the name is known as mail merge. It is used to send invitations, letters, or print certificates for several people. For example, if you wish to inform your customers about a new product, then the company's information and information about that product are same in all the documents, but the recipient information changes. Next example, if your principal or class teacher wants to send a letter or notice to your parents regarding any meeting or function, so obviously the matter of the letter will be same for all, but the addresses will be different for different parents. So one way is to create a letter in writer, copy the address from the address list to change the address of each set of parents and print the letter. The procedure of copying and changing is repeatedly as many times as the number of parents, and it will be time consuming plus difficult also. So it is not possible that if there are hundreds or thousands of addresses, it will take much time. The word processor has a special feature of mail merge to accomplish this task in one stroke. So in mail merge, what happens? Two documents are created. One with the common content is known as the main document or form letter, and the other holding the address list is called the data source. The form letter or the main document contains the actual information and variable names for the data which varies in different letters, and the data source contains the values of the corresponding variables of the main document. For example, the address of all the parents with respective time would be the data source, while your main, when is the meeting, what are the timings, will be in the main letter or the main document. So there are two things, main document and the data source, and we need to combine them in your mail merge. So first of all, how to create a data source? A data source is a set of mailing addresses in the form of rows and columns, generally called the database. The content of the database is in the form of data records. Each row is a record of each person which contains the various fields like name, address, pin code, etc. So to create an address book using the spreadsheet or database is little easier, as they use the table format to store the data. So it is also possible to create an address book or data source during the mail merge process using the mail merge wizard, as you can see in here in the video, mail merge wizard. Where is this option present? In the tools. So how will you use it now? First of all, create a new document and type a letter to be sent to multiple recipients. Okay, so first of all, you will type that letter which you need to send to multiple recipients. To create multiple letters using the mail merge wizard, so you will select tool, then mail merge wizard. When you do so, what will happen? You will get a window as shown here. Now a window will appear. Now select step 1. Step 1 says select starting document or use the current document, and then you click next. So you do this, you click next. So what type of document do you want to create? We say we want to create a letter. So then you go to next. Then you want to, in the step 3, click on the button that is select address list. Window will open which will allow you to create the recipient list. So what will you do? You will just from here select address list. Now this will open a window. Here what you can do is you will take you to a window known as select address list. Now select an address list, click add to select the recipients from a different list. If you do not have any address list, you can create it by, if you already have any address list saved in your computer, you will add it. But if we do not have, suppose we do not have, so we will like to create that address list. So create, clicking on the create button, what will happen? You can, after clicking on create button, a new address list window will appear. In this window, under the address information, you can enter the information of the recipient. For example, I type here, the recipient says, first person whom you are sending is a doctor. So doctor, then I say the first name is Ria. Then I say the next name. Then the company's name, any company, say it is Samsung. Then you type the address line, so it can be any address line. Rajpur Road, City, Dehradun. It can be anything. Dehradun. So what you do now? Okay. So your one recipient is created. If you want to fill the data of the recipient as per the default field, then enter the data as shown in figure. So what you can do now? Customize. You can change the address list you want. Other things to be added to it, you can add them from here. Just I want these things only. So this is how. So okay, so it will take you to the, you can save it with a file name. Suppose I save it with file class 10 mail merge. Okay, so you save it here. So one is created. You can add more to it. Same you can do. You can add more files to it. Okay. So up till here we have started today. Next, the other steps I'll continue on Monday. So this is how your mail merge will be created. Other steps I'll be showing you on Monday. So that is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.